Hello friends and welcome to your channel TubeCore. Now before we start the analysis, if you are new to this channel, then make sure you subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, press the bell notification. After watching this video, if you find some values, so subscribe and like. And below the video, you will find many links. The top 4 links are for those people who wants to make money in swing trading. Okay, so the first link says swing trading on automation, so you can click on this link, then come to this page here, and then this is the the software I have created, which you can install on your chart and start your daily swing trading. Okay, so maybe I'm the first human on the planet to automate daily swing trading, so I have transferred my human knowledge into this robot, and everything is created by me. So if you want to automate the whole process of daily charts into trading, then check out the first link below which says swing trading on automation. Then second link is about join free Telegram. So make sure you connect with my free Telegram at least if you want to get some signals every now and then, or you want to stay updated. So join Telegram absolutely for free. Just below that, you have a link which says join premium signals. So in case you want to get some premium signals, you can check that out. And then check out the brokers in the prop firm right here. And make sure you join these brokers because I have been using them for last maybe 4 years and more. And they have, no issues in withdrawals, because when you are into trading, the biggest problem is if your broker will pay you the money on time or not, or if they will run away with your money. Okay, so these are those trusted brokers in the pro firms. So go and join them to start your trading journey. Subscribe, like all of that, and check out these links. As I said, top 4 links are for traders, and these below links are for affiliate marketing. If you want to make money with affiliate marketing on YouTube or other stuff. Okay, so you can check out everything. Top 4 belongs to the traders, right? And especially if you want to automate everything, then check out the first one and come to this page. Watch this video to see the results. Now subscribe, like blah blah blah. Now let's start the analysis. Alrighty, Euro USD analysis today. So let's start the top down approach with weekly time frame. Weekly, we are in the uptrend, but we are trying to come down this week. This is only the second week, so we don't take it seriously because we have to wait 5 days to know what's going to happen in weekly. So weekly, we are still in the uptrend, but coming back daily chart, daily chart, daily chart. So rejection, rejection, rejection. So the price is being pushed downside now. So you can see this rejection, this rejection, this rejection, this doji, this rejection. So now we are below the EMA. Now we have to wait and see how this candle closes for today. Okay, coming back to 4 hour, I'll tell you in 4 hour. This is it. I think in 4 hour the price is exhausted. Okay, so we have to come back maybe until the EMA time will tell. Okay, so in 4 hour, I am going for long in Euro USD. If you maximize it, you can see this was doji, or rather I would say here 40% sellers, 60% buyers. So buyers kicked in on this candle in 4 hour, and now we are pushing the price up. My take is to go long until 4 hour. At the same time, I'm giving disclaimer. I don't trade dollar pairs. You should not trade dollar pairs right now. That's only my recommendation. Because dollar is being manipulated right now. Okay, so you can do what you like, but I will focus on trading non-USD pairs in these situations. Okay. Anyway, so coming back to daily chart again, so we have to wait how this today's candle closes. Okay, so if this red candle, which is for 7th of October, if this red candle closes my closes above my black line, then I'm going for long. Okay, because the rejection has come. You see, this was your previous low, this is your previous low, and this candle has rejected this previous low and bouncing off now. Do you understand? So this is this level is acting as a support, and price has touched the support and now trying to go up. We have confirmed that from 4 hour. You see here again, 4 hour price bouncing off. Okay, so I am looking for longs in Euro USD at least until here, until the EMA. Okay, that's too much for free. So if you see what you like, or if you like what you see rather. Okay, so again, I have done the analysis, but my gut feeling says trade other pairs, not dollar pairs, because dollar has no stability right now. Okay, it can go off, on. I mean, up, down. So you never know. But as per the structure, look for longs. This level is rejected by Euro USD right now, so it should go up. Okay, so this is it. And if you like what you see, subscribe, like. If you want to join my premium signal, if you want to join my premium signal for non-USD pairs, check out the links below. Join brokers. I'll see you in my next video. Till then, keep watching.